peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now in this video, before I dive in, you all know how I do. I'm going to be asking you how you are doing. How are you doing, boo? How you doing, boobettes? How you doing, all my friends out there in YouTube land who's watching? Thank you so much for being here today. And tell me how you are in the comments down below. I would love to know. I know that summer is officially here and my peeps are maxing and relaxing. Comment down below and let me know what you're getting up to this summer, because I am dying to know. I want to live vicariously through you as I am still stuck on the grad school grind. So but yes, I'd love to hear how you're doing. In this video, I would like to share something that has been somewhat trending on Instagram and here on YouTube in the planner community, and that is something called One Book July. Now, I don't know who created this or how this came to be, but I thought this was a fantastic concept to do this summer when things are kind of sort of, you know, they're busy, but they're not as busy as my, life as a teacher during the school year. And so I thought it'd be a great idea to check out One Book July. And I thought it would be a great way just to simplify my planning even further. Y'all know how much I love my notebook planner, but sometimes, now that I have a little bit extra time, I want to do a little bit more, write a little bit more things, and be a little more creative and colorful and decorative with my planning. And so I'm reaching for one of my favorite books, my favorite planners, and that is the Sterling Ink Common Planner. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite one-stop shop planner that you're using right now currently. And I thought, just taking part in this One Book July would be a great way to just calm things down. And sometimes when you are using multiple planners, you kind of get a little bit, you know what I'm talking about. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about, okay? But I thought it would be great to just stick to one planner for the month of July and to help me appreciate the planner that I have. And this planner I've been loving. It's such a great planner. I mean, if you're looking for a one-stop shop planner, definitely check out the Sterling Ink Common Planner. Okay, so this month here, this is July 4th when I'm filming this. I just finished class and I hope the lighting is okay. We're getting some clouds coming in, but for July, and how I always start off my months is I start off with kind of like a July highlight. Now, in the month of July, I'm doing 2 courses in my grad school, so things are going to be really busy. But I did want to just highlight a couple things, and the main thing that I'm looking forward to is my spa day at the end of July, because it's been a long time since my rusty, busty, and crusty feet got some love. So I'm really excited about my mani-pedi and massage. But I just want to share with you what I've done in One Book July so far with hopes of giving you some ideas to start your own One Book July, because it's not too late. Even though we're 4 days in, there's still plenty of time to hop on board and participate in something like this. And if you hear coughing, I apologize. My hubby's just getting over a cold. Okay, so the first page here, July 1st, was I just kind of went all in, and I kind of even noted my One Book July here. And I'll be sharing pictures of each of the pages over on Instagram. So like I said, check me out there if you want to keep up with me on One Book July there. And I'm just, having fun. I'm not, thinking too tough or too hard on anything. I have my Tombow markers and my Sharpie that I use daily, and I'm just having fun with it. And that's what makes One Book July so simple, is that I'm using one book, I'm keeping things simple. I have my stickers here that, if I feel like jotting some things in here with my coffee monsters and once more with love stickers, I can do that. And I'm not stressing about anything. I'm not worrying about perfection. I'm just having fun with planning, which essentially is what One Book July is supposed to be all about. Picking a planner, one planner, sticking to it and having fun. And so that was July 1st. And then this is July 2nd. And how I've just kind of organized it moving forward, because I am still in school, is I'm just tracking the things that are important. Right now it's homework and readings and chapter readings and studying and papers and things like that. And so all those items I put in my agenda along with my routines and my to-dos type thing. And I do have a wellness tracker because I'm trying to get my health on track. A lot of people have been inquiring about my notebook planner wellness thing, and it was starting a little bit rough. I'm getting back into it again, so stay tuned to the channel for that update. I have my daily Bible verse for my time with God reading, and just some things I have to do. And here, this was yesterday. It was recycle day. Hubby had to make a run to Walmart for a couple things. Some things I had to do, my exercise, and my agenda again, along with my time with God scripture. And then today is I'm about right here in my agenda, and I've already got a walk in, so I'm good. So yeah, I feel like I am, really loving this system, and I'm having a great time in my one book July so far. And so tomorrow will be July 5th, so stay tuned for Instagram for that update on what I'm doing. But folks, I'm loving One Book July. It's so much fun. I don't have to worry about anything. I can just have fun and do all the things that bring me joy in my planner. And I just hope, if you are interested, that you will have some fun checking it out as well. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about One Book July, feel free to hit me up on Instagram or drop a question in the comments. I always answer back. And I appreciate all of you for being here. So thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed. And I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my ass.